A very pleasant morning to everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable President A.D. Timmaya, Sri Uma Pragati Group of Institutions, and respected Principal Syed Akram Ali of Sri Uma Pragati First Grade College, and respected Principal Sridhar Babu of Government First Grade College, Kaduru, to this webinar. I heartily welcome Dr. Kemparaja, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, and Suresh H, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, who supported and encouraged me in organizing this webinar. I extend my heartily welcome to faculty members, library professionals, research scholars, students, and other participants from the various disciplines for the webinar on the topic Open Access Electronic Resources for Teaching, Learning and Research and Enlist e-Resources. Dear participants, we all know that teaching, learning and research is a continuous and ever-evolving process. Whatever the impediments and inconvenience which has been caused due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, open access electronic resources are acting as an energy booster in meeting the learning needs of the academic community. The educational institutions from schools to universities can make use of this present adversity as a blessing in disguise, making the digital education major part of the learning process. With this, I would like to introduce our today's presenter, an intellectual, an eminent, distinguished resource person, Dr. K. Ramasamy, librarian, M.V. Muthaya, Government Arts College for Women. He has done BLISC from Gandhigram Rural Institute, Gandhigram, MCom, MLISC and PhD from Madurai Comrade University, served as a school librarian in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka from 1997 to 2014 with 17 years of experience, 6.5 years experience as a college librarian in government service. 71 articles are published in refereed journals. 91 papers are published in proceedings of conferences, seminars. Sir has published 3 books and contribution of book chapters, acted as a director, rapporteur, chairperson for so many conferences and seminars, and received a Best Paper and Best Paper Presenter award. He also generously awarded as a Best Librarian in 2012 at Chennai. He had a radio talk in Pasumai FM 90.4 on National Librarian Day. Sir has delivered 43 online video lectures. He is a member of professional bodies, editorial board member, review board member of 2 LIS journals, BOS member in 2 colleges, questions paper setter in a Bharatidasan University. Sir has completed NET for 6 times, JRF for 2 times and SLET for 1 time. His achievements and contributions to the field of library and information science is remarkable. With this, I would like to welcome our respected resource person Ramasamy sir on behalf of Sri Uma Pragati First Grade College and Government First Grade College, Kaduru. The knowledge which Dr. Ramasamy sir is going to share with us today will definitely help in our teaching, learning and research. Once again, I welcome one and all. Thank you.